Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the appearance in the Etsy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the U button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the settings button. And then click on the appearance button. And as you can see, you can able to use the device appearance, but if you disable it, then you can manage it yourself and set it to light or dark. So just choose the one that you prefer. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.